This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add transitions to your slides in Google Slides. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. On my screen here, I have 3 slides and I want to add some transitions or movement in between those slides to make the presentation more presentable. This is how you do that. You click on the slide that you want to add the transition on, and I'm going to do that with the second slide. Up here in the line of options, you have the word transition. Click on that and it will open up a box on the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you can choose your transitions from this drop-down box. So you have dissolve, fade, slide from the right, slide from the left, flip, cube, and gallery as your options. So I'm going to click flip. And you can change the speed between slow, medium, and fast. And you can opt to have that transition only apply to this slide, or click that box to have it apply to all of the slides. And then here at the bottom, you can play it so you can get a preview of how it will look. And this is how it'll look. And I'm also going to add a different transition to slide number 3 by clicking on that slide and following that same process. For this one, I will click fade. So now that I have my transitions, let me go ahead and play the slideshow from the beginning so that you can see the results. So here is slide 1 with no transition. Here is slide 2 with the flip transition. And then here is slide 3 with the fade transition. So that is how you add transitions to your slides in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to see more helpful tips in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.